How to set live wallpaper on iPhone from Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you set or add live wallpaper from Pinterest on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Pinterest app on your iPhone. From the section at the top, in the source field, you'll have to search for iPhone live wallpaper. After you search for live wallpaper iPhone, you can find a lot of multiple live wallpaper available for your iPhone. You can simply tap on the download option if you get it. If you are not able to download that, you can do a screen record using your iPhone screen recorder, like you can do it from your control center. After you record any live wallpaper, you'll have to just exit this and open your Photos app. And from there, after you find that video, tap on edit just at the bottom. From this edit section, you can trim the video, or you can also crop this by tapping on the crop icon at the bottom right. After you crop the video, tap on the option down at the top right. After you edit and save to your camera roll, you'll have to back from here and open our app named Into Live app. It can usually available on your app store, so simply you can find that application Into Live app. Simply you'll have to install this application. After you install it, you'll have to open that. From here at the top, tap on new project, and from here choose that video. After you add that video, you can also customize this from here, like you can remove the sound by tapping on the sound icon at the bottom left. After you mute the video, tap on the export option at the top right, and from here choose the option for live photo. After you choose it, tap on save to photos. After you save that picture on your gallery, you'll have to open settings. From settings, scroll down and tap on wallpaper. From the wallpaper section, tap on customize. And from here, choose for the option photo. Simply from here, tap on plus icon. And from here, tap on gallery icon at the bottom left. From here, you can simply choose your live picture. Alright, as you can see, this is the live picture I have saved from that app. After you save that, tap on done at the top right. Now tap on done at the top right. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully added the live wallpaper on my iPhone home screen. As you can also set that live wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.